Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to adjust the mount on your Kobra red dot sight. When I first got this red dot and installed it on my AK, it was quite loose and would not hold zero. So to fix that, we are going to tighten the mount, and I'll show you how to do that real quick. So on the handle that you use to lock your Kobra red dot in place on the side rail of your AK, there is this metal bracket right here. Now if you still have the tool for your Kobra red dot, what you can do is you can pry this bracket up and over, just like that. And you can remove this bracket, take it off. And what you'll see is that this handle that you use to lock your Kobra red dot in place is mounted on these gears. So what you do is you take your handle off those gears, put it like that, and reinsert it on those gears, and we'll reinsert the bracket like that. Pull it. And now your Kobra red dot sight should fit firmly on your AK. Now you can move the handle in the opposite direction to loosen the mount if it takes too much force to put this handle over the body of the sight and lock your Kobra in place. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good one.